New tonight, the inspiring story of a teenager who's taking on one of the biggest problems facing his generation. He's got a high-tech approach to get the lowdown on bullies. Jenny Dorn spoke with him tonight about his plan that's getting everyone's attention. Jenny?
Morris, the statistics are sobering. 1 in 4 American students say they're tormented in school. This Fairfax County 8th grader is taking a bite out of bullying by putting the problem on the map, literally.
I like coding, I like building websites.
At just 13 years old, this middle schooler by day
I really like using technology.
Is a computer programmer by night.
We're still looking to, improve this as time goes on.
Viraj Puri of Great Falls is the brains behind Bullyvention, a site where kids who are tormented can share their struggles and join a crusade for change.
It's really become a big crisis that we all face.
Viraj is helping solve that crisis by pinpointing where geographically the greatest number of victims are in America. His heat map tracks real-time cases of online bullying. It scans social media for keywords suggesting someone is being harassed, then highlights where the tweet or Facebook message originated.
If someone's saying, "You're so stupid," that's one of the combinations we have, like, "You're really stupid, you're so stupid."
His push to end the cycle of pain grew from a very personal experience. His brother was bullied verbally and physically.
He basically shut himself off from the outside, and he didn't want to go back to school.
Now this 8th grader's efforts to protect others are being commended on Capitol Hill.
We need to educate students.
He's met with several lawmakers who've battled bullies.
And it's not good.
His website is even backed by the Congressional Anti-Bullying Caucus. Viraj says those who are hurting need to know they can reach people in positions to make a difference.
I think if I save just one person's life, I think that really right there is just a big deal.
He's a great kid. Viraj says his anti-bullying heat map is still a work in progress. He's reaching out to the CEOs of Google, Twitter, and Facebook. He hopes they'll get him more data for his map and improve its accuracy. Morris?